Hazrat Qasim bin Muhammad has reported from Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu, while those who invoke mutual imprecation were mentioned before the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Asim bin Adi radiyallahu anhu passed some inappropriate remarks. When he returned, a man belonging to his people came and claimed that he had found a man with his wife committing adultery. Hazrat Asim whereupon said he has been enmeshed in this trial due to his statement. So he escorted him to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and he informed him of the man he had found him with his wife. This man, the plaintiff, was pale, thin, and straight-haired fellow, whereas whom he had found with his wife was a wettish, plump, carved, chubby, and curly-headed fellow. So Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam invoked, O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, unravel the fact. So when she bore the child, it resembled the man he, the plaintiff, had found with his wife. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked them to invoke mutual imprecation. So a man in the meeting said to Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu, is this the same woman about whom Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, if I had stoned someone to death without a witness, I would have stoned her to death? Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu whereupon said, she is not that woman, but that woman, even being a Muslim, would commit evil publicly. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 5316.